Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. Second year PUC Geology. Retained and deleted portions we shall see now. Retained means which will be there for the exam we have to read, and deleted we need not to read. So ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂಥ ಮತ್ತು ತೆಗೆದಿರುವಂಥ portions 2020 and 21 because 30% syllabus have been reduced for this year. So in the first chapter, in the first point, introduction about the rocks, that classification, igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic will be there. And the second chapter, igneous rocks. In that first point, definitions, introduction, definition, composition, and the forms of igneous, that will be there. And the second point in that chapter, structures of igneous rocks, definition, types, and also there. And the fourth point, third one are there. Fourth point, classification will be there. And the fifth point, basic description of important igneous rocks. So in that three are there: volcanic, abyssal, and plutonic. And the sixth point there, sixth point, use of igneous rocks. Seventh point also there, significance of igneous rocks. And eighth point there, summary. And these are the model question papers on sedimentary rocks. Next, third chapter, sedimentary rocks. In sedimentary rocks, first point there, introduction, process and information of sedimentary rocks, and there will be remain in that in that point. And the second point in the third chapter, structure, stratification, lamination, graded, that and all there. And fifth point, third and fourth not there. Fifth point there, basic description of sedimentary rocks wiser then remain. Sixth, summary, model question papers. In fourth chapter, metamorphic rocks. In that first point, introduction, definition of metamorphics. And second point, agents of metamorphism, temperature, pressure, and chemically active fluids. Third point in fourth chapter, zones of metamorphosis, and epi, meso, and hypozones. And sixth point, description of the important metamorphic rocks: strata, marble, quartzite, gneiss, schist, and charnoxite. Seventh point, summary, and eighth model question paper there. In fifth chapter, structural geology, introduction, attitude of weights, and octopes remain, these and all there in that point. And second point also there, Brunton campus and its uses. And fifth point, the third and fourth not there, folds and parts of folds wiser, and these the types of fold with, these and all there. And sixth in fifth chapter, sixth point there we have seen here. Sixth point, fault, part of the faults with, and types of fault, normal, these and all there. Seventh point and eighth point also there, that summary, model question paper. In sixth chapter, stratigraphy, definition, principles of stratigraphy. And second point, geologic time scale, silent features, and remain in that point. Fifth and sixth point also there, that summary, model question papers. Seventh chapter, paleontology. In that one, first point and second point, third point there, that introduction remain in that points. Types of fossilization. Fourth point, general morphology and the range in following fossils: corals, calcula, gastropod, and fossils. Fifth point there, plant fossils. In that Glosonteris, Tilophyllum. Sixth point, significance and uses of fossils. And seventh point, summary, and points model question paper. So these are retained, so will be there. And deleted portions we shall see now in this geology, deleted. So we need not to read for this here. In the first chapter there, that whole chapter, but in second chapter, which are all deleted. Third point we have seen, that third point is deleted. The texture definition, controlling factors, and holy line, granularity, and shape of minerals, mutual relationship of minerals, in that remained. That whole point is removed, deleted. In third chapter, sedimentary rocks, third point, textures, that remained in that point. And fourth point, classification of the sedimentary rocks based on these and all. Mode of origin and grain size. In fourth chapter, metamorphic rocks, the fourth point and fifth point, all points are removed and deleted. Kinds of metamorphism in brief, and texture and structures with those. And fifth chapter, structural geology, third point and fourth point are removed, and conformity and uniformity. In fifth chapter, third point, first one, and fifth chapter, fourth point, joints, attitude of joints, types of joints with. Sixth chapter, stratigraphy, third point and fourth point, geology of Karnataka and importance of stratigraphy. Seventh chapter, paleontology. Fourth chapter, brachiopods and trilobites, these and all. So these are deleted portions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more notifications.